In this video, we're going to show you how to install taillights on your F-150 located on the rear of the vehicle. Now with the tailgate down, you want to go ahead and access the inside of the taillight. It's going to be two 8mm screws. There's one on the top, one on the bottom. You can use a wrench. I'm going to use my 1/4" ratchet with my 8mm socket. I'm going to loosen and remove these screws. And once you remove these here, there's going to be a series of plastic pins. There's going to be an alignment pin, roughly about this height here, goes into the bed of the truck. And then there's two more on the outer side that go into rubber grommets to hold this in. So with the screws out, you're going to grab the taillight and pull it straight back toward you. All right, so you have the plastic pin down here, and then there's one up top here. Now I want to go ahead and separate our harness. There's a large gray harness right here with a little push tab. You're going to push on that and separate it. There it is. Now you're going to take the body harness, line that up, and push that on. You're going to hear it and feel it click into position. Now we can go ahead and start to install the plastic alignment pins into the body. And you can have these two here, and then you have the one on the upper portion on the top portion of the bed. You're going to line up all three of them together. And then once they're lined up, you're going to simply push the taillight in. Now with the taillight installed, go ahead and get your screws placed in. I'm going to go ahead and thread those in by hand first. Make sure they go in nice and straight. Then go ahead and grab that ratchet or your wrench, and we're going to snug them down. Now when tightening these here, pretty much you want to get it to the point where it's snug. You just give it a tiny bit more. It doesn't have to be super, super tight. You're just holding a piece of plastic in place. There it is bottomed out, tiny bit more. Now you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side if you need to. And at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.